The world of technology is abuzz with excitement over ChatGPT, a powerful language model. ChatGPT can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a very knowledgeable computer program. From answering questions to writing stories, ChatGPT's potential seems limitless. Imagine having a tool that can help you write a speech, draft an email, or even compose a song. ChatGPT can do all of this and more. It's like having a personal assistant for your creative endeavors. But like any powerful tool, it requires understanding and skill to use effectively. This video will be your guide to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. We'll explore the art of crafting effective prompts, the importance of context, and the power of iterative interaction. Get ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of conversational AI. Let's begin our exploration of ChatGPT. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's potential lies in the art of crafting effective prompts. A prompt is essentially a question or instruction that you give to ChatGPT. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better ChatGPT will understand your intent and generate a relevant response. Think of it like giving directions. If you tell someone to go north, they might end up anywhere north of you. But if you give them a specific address and landmarks, they're more likely to reach the right destination. Similarly, with ChatGPT, a vague prompt like write a poem will result in a generic response. But if you provide more context, such as write a sonnet about the beauty of autumn leaves, ChatGPT can generate a more focused and evocative poem. Remember, clarity and specificity are key to crafting effective prompts that elicit the desired responses from ChatGPT. Imagine trying to understand a joke without knowing the background story. You might catch a few words or phrases, but the humor often gets lost. It's difficult, right? Context is crucial for comprehension, not just in jokes, but in almost every aspect of communication. And the same applies when interacting with ChatGPT. This AI model thrives on context to provide meaningful and accurate responses. Providing context helps ChatGPT understand the nuances of your request and generate more relevant and accurate responses. Think of it as giving the AI a roadmap to follow. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT, what is the best way to get there? Without any prior information, it wouldn't know where there is. It could be a restaurant, a park, or even another city. However, if you provide context by saying, I want to go to the new Italian restaurant downtown, what is the best way to get there? ChatGPT can then access its knowledge base and give you directions. ChatGPT can then access its knowledge base and give you directions. It can suggest the quickest route, the most scenic path, or even public transportation options. Context can be provided in various ways. You can give a brief background story, define key terms, or even specify the desired tone and style of the output. You can start with a brief background story, define key terms, or outline the specific details you want included in the response, or even specify the desired tone and style of the output. Whether you want a formal explanation or a casual conversation, context helps shape the response. The more context you provide, the better equipped ChatGPT will be to fulfill your request. Detailed notes, specific questions, and clear instructions all contribute to a more effective interaction. Think of context as setting the stage for a successful interaction with ChatGPT. Just like a well-prepared presentation, the right context ensures everything flows smoothly and effectively. In summary, context is not just a helpful addition, it's a necessity for clear and effective communication. Whether you're asking for directions, seeking advice, or just having a casual chat, providing context makes all the difference. So next time you interact with ChatGPT, remember to set the stage with the right context. It will make your experience more rewarding and the responses more accurate. Context is the key to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. Embrace it, and you'll find your interactions more meaningful and productive. The importance of context cannot be overstated. It is the foundation of effective communication, especially when interacting with AI like ChatGPT. Section 4. The Power of Iteration. A conversation with ChatGPT. One of ChatGPT's most powerful features is its ability to engage in iterative interaction. This iterative process is not just a simple back and forth, it's a dynamic and evolving conversation that can adapt to your needs and preferences over time. This means that you can have a back and forth conversation with ChatGPT, refining your request, providing feedback, and gradually steering the output towards your desired outcome. Each interaction builds upon the previous one, allowing for a more nuanced and tailored response. Imagine you're working with an artist to create a portrait. The initial sketch might capture the basic outline, but it's through your feedback that the artist can refine the details. You wouldn't expect the artist to create a perfect likeness with just one try. Instead, you'd provide feedback on the initial sketch, suggesting adjustments to the features, shading, and composition. This collaborative process ensures that the final portrait meets your expectations. Similarly, with ChatGPT, you can iterate on the initial response by asking follow-up questions, requesting specific changes, or providing additional information. This iterative process allows you to fine-tune the output until it aligns perfectly with your vision. For instance, if you're working on a complex project, you might start with a broad question and then narrow it down through successive interactions. Each response from ChatGPT can be a stepping stone, guiding you closer to your goal. For example, if ChatGPT generates a story that's too short, you can simply ask it to make it longer or add more details about the protagonist's past. You can specify the kind of details you want, such as background information, emotional depth, or specific events that shape the character. Iterative interaction allows you to collaborate with ChatGPT, shaping the output and achieving a level of refinement that wouldn't be possible with a single prompt. This collaborative approach is akin to having a creative partner who is always ready to listen, adapt, and improve based on your input. The power of iteration with ChatGPT lies in its ability to learn from each interaction. As you provide more context and feedback, the AI becomes better equipped to deliver responses that are more aligned with your expectations. This iterative process not only enhances the quality of the output, but also makes the interaction more engaging and productive. It transforms a simple query into a rich dialogue, where each exchange brings you closer to your desired outcome. Whether you're using ChatGPT for creative writing, problem solving, or just casual conversation, the power of iteration ensures that you get the most out of your interaction. It's a tool that grows with you, adapting to your needs and helping you achieve your goals with greater precision and creativity. So, the next time you engage with ChatGPT, remember the power of iteration. Embrace the process, provide feedback, and watch as your simple queries evolve into sophisticated and tailored responses. Section 5. Beyond the Basics. Exploring creative applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a question-answering tool. It's a versatile assistant that can enhance your creative endeavors in ways you might not have imagined. Its creative potential is vast and waiting to be explored. Whether you're a writer, musician, artist, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset in your toolkit. From generating compelling stories and poems to composing music and even writing code, ChatGPT can assist in a multitude of creative tasks. Imagine having a brainstorming partner that never tires and is always ready to offer fresh ideas. ChatGPT can be your creative partner in crime. It can help you overcome creative blocks and inspire you to think outside the box. Imagine brainstorming ideas for a new product or service. ChatGPT can help by generating a list of potential names, taglines, and even marketing copy. It can analyze trends and suggest innovative approaches that you might not have considered. ChatGPT can assist in crafting compelling marketing strategies, creating engaging content, and even predicting customer responses based on data analysis. Or perhaps you're stuck on a particular scene in your novel. ChatGPT can offer suggestions for plot twists, character development, or even dialogue. It can help you explore different narrative paths and find the one that best fits your story. ChatGPT can also help you refine your writing style, ensuring that your prose is both engaging and polished. It can provide feedback on your drafts and suggest improvements. Musicians can use ChatGPT to generate lyrics, compose melodies, or even create entire musical pieces in different genres. It can help you experiment with new sounds and styles, pushing the boundaries of your musical creativity. ChatGPT can also assist in the technical aspects of music production, offering tips on mixing and mastering to ensure your tracks sound professional. Artists can collaborate with ChatGPT to generate ideas for paintings, sculptures, or other art forms. It can help you explore new techniques and mediums, expanding your artistic horizons. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. ChatGPT can be a source of inspiration, a sounding board for your ideas, and a tool for refining your creative projects. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what creative heights you can reach with ChatGPT. Embrace the future of creativity and let ChatGPT be your guide on this exciting journey. Section 6. ChatGPT for creative writing, unleashing your inner storyteller. For aspiring authors and seasoned wordsmiths alike, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for unleashing creativity and crafting captivating narratives. Whether you're looking for inspiration for a new story, struggling with writer's block, or simply want to experiment with different writing styles, ChatGPT can be your digital muse. Need help developing compelling characters? Ask ChatGPT to generate detailed character profiles, complete with backstories, motivations, and even dialogue quirks. Stuck on a plot point? ChatGPT can offer unexpected twists, cliffhangers, and satisfying resolutions. Yearning to explore different genres? Challenge ChatGPT to write a sci-fi thriller, a romantic comedy, or a historical fiction piece. You'll be amazed by the versatility and adaptability of this language model. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Embrace the collaboration and see where your imagination takes you.